bit of rolling is what I need to get me going through the day. But sometimes I wake up and be real stiff. And you'd be like, oh, you're so young. You won't be feeling so stiff. It happens. It happens to the best of us all. It's just all about knowing what to do to unstiffen yourself. Okay, so that was the lower leg. Now we're going to do the thighs and the glutes. Sometimes we all get some stiffness in those butt cheeks from sitting all day. So, with the back of the thighs, you're going to start from behind the knee, so where we ended when we started with the calf. And you're going to just push up slightly on one hand, and then nice and slowly back and forth. Still same kneading effect. You can use your other arm, your other leg to leverage yourself to help roll. If you feel comfortable to switch, like what I'm doing right now, you can do that as well. Again, you're just feeling for all those muscles, as much surface area as you can get. Okay, and then we're going to switch to the other leg. If you're getting warm, that's a good sign as well. Like I said, sometimes this alone could be a good little workout. You don't have to do anything crazy all the time to get in a good workout and to feel good. So keep rolling, kneading, and now we're going to the glutes. If you're doing the core program and you notice that when you have your legs up and you feel tightness in your back, doing this beforehand will help to even out the muscles, because sometimes random areas of tightness could just be because one side or one area is activating when it shouldn't be, or overactivating.